Nonku Williams International is a homewrecker. So you are telling me that she literally stinned a married man? We just arrived to 2026, guys. We are still in the early stages of 2026, guys. And so much has come out on Nonku. Maphepha Ndaba broke the exclusive. Someone came into their DMs and gave them receipts. Nonku went as far as moving in to the marital home that this man, Ulungani Ramalet, who happens to be a South African cattle farmer, so he has money. She went as far as moving in to the marital home that he shares with his wife. So now it's him and Nonku. Wife was sent packing on Monday in Ngolesibili. Nonku beseka move in corner. That was 7 months ago. This is his wife. She's currently 7 months pregnant. Lalela. It's also being alleged that she is related to Usli. Related to Usli, Lestombe, Slee posted on her Instagram on the weekend. Who is the wife? Snedlov Gamalak. Here is the photo, guys. I didn't know that Usli is related to Okajen Mara. Apparently, Unoku Ushausis Gestena. Look at his picture properly. Wife is the one with a coat. The guy Lungani is the one on the left. Wait. And Maphepha Ndaba, how do you know this? And then here is a family picture. In other words, this is a family member. But you said she's pregnant. And then, of course, she is. More receipts. This was in January. And by the way, guys, it came out late last year. I think in December. It came out late last year that Ulungani and Unonku are dating. So he was literally dating her full on, but here he had a whole pregnant wife. Don't forget what Nandingoma said. We have to give them grace. I need proof. This is their home that Nonku chased her out of at 7 months, so she can shoot their upcoming reality show. When I tell you this makes so much sense, guys. When I tell you this man is actually playing stepfather to Unoku's children. That time he has his own children. And of course, me being Ste, I had to do my own digging and find out as much information as I possibly could so that when I come to you guys, I come to you with something I've seen, something I've gathered. And guys, I've gathered Uguti, she's been in his life since 2021. Now, this is still on his Twitter, by the way, and it's public. So it's public knowledge. So anyone can get this before you guys come for me in the comments because you love your Nukune. But this is the alleged wife. And guys, she looks way too familiar to Usli's sister, if you ask me. But this was 2021. So of course, you can easily say that she's put on a few because that's what happens to women's bodies. We put on a few. And bear in mind, guys, he is posting Unoku all over the show. When I tell you that love lives here, Gandhi, all this time, they are literally selling us an upcoming reality show, allegedly.